Good day, this is my video presentation for hand washing. Before I start, my name is Maricris Asi from BSHM2E. Hand washing is one of the most effective way to prevent the spread of germs and infection. Here are the key steps to proper hand washing. Now, there are 5 steps to good hand washing. First step, you want to wash the palm or your hand with soap or alcohol-based scrub. Step 2 is washing the back of your hand. Step 3 is making you get between your fingers. Step 4, making sure you wash the tip of your hand finger. And step 5 is making sure to get your thumbs germs are spread by dirty hands. And the last step is pakahugasan ng mabuti nang mawala yung sabon. It's done. That's how we can protect to microorganisms. That's all. Thanks for watching.